Shalom Saints, if you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
All right, bless you, Saints. So this is Eden. Say shalom, Eden.
Shalom.
All right, so we have a skirt that all right, Eden, hold the needle over to the side for a second. We have a skirt that has a really big hole in it. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to teach Eden we'll continue to teach Eden how to hand sew to repair the skirt. So she is doing a whip stitch. It's a simple stitch to close up the hole. Open there. Ooh. Okay, so we got about, hold on. Got another 2 inches. Maybe like 1.5 inches. All right, make sure you're going in a little bit closer between each stitch so it can be a tight seam. All right, so now we're on the last stitch and we're gonna close it off.
I already closed it off.
Where is it?
I already closed it off. I think I did.
Hold on, baby. Sorry, I poked you. So we're gonna go into the last.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you go to the last there. Go on a little bit.
Where's that?
Just go into that. Oh, right there.
Just trying to lock it in place. Alright, let's look at it. Nice. Good job. It's been a while since we've sewn. Alright, so we're gonna cut it. Clean hand. Looks good. Good job, Eden. Alright, shalom.
Bless you, Saints.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.